Have you ever wondered why some plants suddenly burst with fresh growth after such a simple natural feeding? The secret is often not expensive fertilizers, but the right combination of everyday ingredients working together beneath the soil. Today, I'll show you an easy homemade plant booster using two common ingredients and one surprising final ingredient you won't want to skip. First, pour 1 liter of water into a container. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps create a cleaner growing environment around the roots and supports healthier looking leaves. Stir well so it dissolves completely and spreads evenly through the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oat powder. Oats provide gentle organic nutrients that feed beneficial soil microbes and improve soil structure, helping roots grow stronger. Stir again so the oats blend well and release their natural goodness. Now for the secret ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder. Red pepper helps discourage ants and some crawling pests from the soil, helping plants grow with less disturbance. Stir one final time until everything is fully mixed. Pour the mixture evenly around the base of your plants. As it soaks into the soil, it supports stronger roots, healthier growth, and greener foliage. Use this natural booster once every 2 weeks for the best results. Healthy gardens grow with simple, consistent care. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.